Tank your testosterone. Tank your metabolism. Boost it without TRT. Welcome back to Wellness Waves, your go-to channel for insightful podcasts on health, fitness, and holistic well-being. I'm Dr. Elias Site, and today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for so many of us: boosting testosterone naturally. Imagine waking up with that surge of energy, taming the daily grind of stress, and fueling your body for real muscle gains and metabolic fire. That's the transformation we're exploring today. If you've ever felt that mid-afternoon slump, noticed your workouts falling flat, or just sensed something's off with your drive and focus, this episode is crafted just for you. We're not talking quick fixes or hype. We're unpacking science-backed strategies to reclaim your vitality without synthetic shortcuts. Stay with me through this extended deep dive. By the end, you'll have a full toolkit of actionable steps, from daily habits to mindset shifts, to feel those powerful surges in your everyday life. Let's get into it. Okay, let's kick things off by really painting the picture of what we're up against: the decline drama. You know, it's not just some abstract concept, it's that real-life drag that hits when you're supposed to be at your peak. Think about it. You're hustling through your day, but by noon, your energy tanks like a bad battery. Those workouts you used to crush, now they're a slog, leaving you sore and unmotivated instead of pumped. And don't get me started on the mood roller coaster: irritability creeping in, focus scattering like leaves in the wind, or that nagging dip in libido that affects not just you, but your relationships. Even simple things like gaining stubborn belly fat or waking up feeling unrested become part of the story. Studies back this up. After age 30, testosterone can drop about 1% annually. But throw in modern life's curveballs like chronic stress, poor eating, or inconsistent sleep, and that decline accelerates, sometimes by 10 to 15% in just a few years. It's like your body's internal engine is sputtering on low-grade fuel, impacting metabolism, where fat burns slower, muscles recover poorly, and overall vitality fades. But here's where we turn the tide. This isn't inevitable. We're shifting from those low-T blues, fatigue, frustration, and fog, to the power surges of renewed strength, clarity, and confidence. Imagine flipping that script. Mornings where you bound out of bed, workouts that build you up, and a metabolism humming like a well-oiled machine. That's the journey ahead. Before we jump into the solutions that work, we have to clear the deck of misinformation. Myths about testosterone are everywhere, and they've tripped up so many people, leading to wasted time, money, and effort. Let's bust them one by one, drawing from solid research so you can focus on what truly moves the needle. Myth number 1: boosting testosterone is just for bodybuilders or guys chasing huge gains. Wrong. It's vital for all of us. Healthy levels support bone density, heart health, mental sharpness, and even immune function. Whether you're a desk jockey, a dad juggling life, or someone maintaining everyday fitness, optimal T matters. I've had patients in their 40s come in thinking it's just aging, but tweaking habits brought back their edge without any extreme measures. Myth 2: over-the-counter supplements like fenugreek or tribulus are magic bullets that spike levels overnight. The hype is real, but the science? Not so much. Most lack robust evidence. Studies show minimal or no impact on T in healthy men. One review of 50 popular boosters found only 25% had any data backing claims, and some even lowered T. Don't fall for the marketing. I've seen folks spend hundreds on pills that did zilch. Myth 3: you need brutal diets or endless gym hours to make a difference. Actually, consistent, smart changes trump extremes. Crash diets can crash T by stressing the body. Myth 4: high T makes you aggressive or alpha in a bad way. That's a stereotype. Balanced levels actually improve mood stability and decision-making. Research debunks the rage myth. It's more about overall health. Myth 5: only older guys deal with low T. Not true. Younger men hit by stress, poor sleep, or obesity can see dips too. And myth 6:
TRT is the only real fix. While it's great for clinical cases, lifestyle often suffices without risks. By ditching these myths, we're freeing up space for proven methods that deliver sustainable results. Feel that tension easing? Good. Now let's surge into the solutions. Shifting gears to what actually works, we'll start with the foundation: foods. Your diet isn't just fuel, it's the raw material for hormone production. We're talking balanced plates loaded with proteins, healthy fats, and micronutrients that directly support T synthesis. Let's break it down with specifics, why they matter, easy integrations, and even sample meals to make this actionable. First, proteins. Lean beef, chicken, turkey, and pork provide amino acids that help maintain free testosterone by lowering binding proteins. A 4 to 6 ounce serving of grass-fed beef delivers zinc too, about 5 to 7 milligrams, key for tea production. Grill it with herbs for a simple steak night. Fish shines here. Salmon, tuna, mackerel pack vitamin D and omega-3s, boosting hormone creation. Bake salmon with lemon, easy, heart-healthy, and tea-friendly. Oysters, zinc bombs. 6 give 34 milligrams, preventing deficiencies that tank tea. Try them in stew if raw isn't your thing. Eggs. Cholesterol is tea's building block, plus fats for absorption. Scramble with veggies for breakfast. Nuts like almonds, Brazil nuts, selenium-rich, 2 daily. Pumpkin seeds offer magnesium to free up tea. Snack on a handful. Veggies, spinach for magnesium, onions and garlic for flavonoids protecting tea pathways. Add to salads or stir-fries. More gems, avocados for fats, pomegranates for boosts, juice daily, ginger and honey for support. Avoid sugars and processed junk. They spike insulin, lowering tea. Now, let's loop in value with a 7-day meal plan adapted from proven sources. Monday, breakfast, eggs with spinach. Lunch, turkey avocado wrap. Dinner, grilled beef with greens. Tuesday, yogurt with nuts, kidney beans on toast, chicken stir-fry, and so on. Rotate for variety. Why this? Zinc deficiency alone drops tea. These prevent it while tasting great. A patient of mine added zinc-rich foods 3 times a week, energy up 20% in months. Build habits. Aim for 5 to 6 ounces protein daily. Mix nutrients. The result? Steady tea surges, better metabolism, less fatigue. Next up, workouts, the spark for those power surges. Movement isn't optional, it's a direct tea trigger. Focus on resistance training. Compound moves like squats, deadlifts, bench presses engage big muscles, spiking tea post-session. Squats, feet shoulder-width apart, lower like sitting, drive up. Start body weight, add bar. Deadlifts, hinge hips, lift bar by straightening, builds back and legs. Bench, lie, lower to chest, push, chest and arms focus. HIIT, 30-second sprints, 90 seconds rest, 8 rounds, amplifies effects. Cardio, moderate running or swimming aids weight control, indirect T support. Schedules, beginner, 3 times a week, 3 sets of 10 reps, squats, deadlifts, and bench. Intermediate, 4 sets, weights. Advanced, HIIT plus resistance. Avoid overtraining, raises cortisol, counters T. Benefits, strength, recovery, metabolism boost. One guy started walks, progressed to weights, transformed energy. Variety, pull-ups, push-ups count. Common pitfalls, bad form, injury risk. Film yourself. Consistency over intensity first.
Now sleep, the unsung hero where T magic peaks in REM. Under 5 hours, levels drop 15%. Aim 7 to 9 hours. Consistent schedule, dim lights pre-bed, no screens. Room 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, blackout curtains. No caffeine post-noon, light meals. Apnea? Get checked, disrupts T. Poor week equals 10 to 15 years aging on T. Tips: meditation or yoga pre-bed. Avoid alcohol, fragment sleep. Patient, fixed routine, mood and drive improved. Science, T peaks first REM. Naps, 30 minutes max, combined with diet and workouts for recharge. Let's add stress management. Chronic stress spikes cortisol, suppressing T. Techniques: mindfulness, deep breathing lower cortisol, yoga, meditation daily, hobbies, nature time, balanced diet, exercise as above. Sleep ties in. 7 to 9 hours reduces stress. Patient added walks, cortisol down, T up. Supplements: only evidence-based. Vitamin D, 3,300 IU daily, boosted T 20%. Zinc, if low, restores levels. Magnesium increases free and total T. Ashwagandha reduces stress, boosts T. Fenugreek, some strength gains. Consult doc. Test deficiencies first. Goal setting: start small. 1 food, 1 workout, bedtime routine. Journal energy and mood. Compound wins over time. Natural boost: 2 foods, 1 session, 8 hours sleep, stress technique daily. Track, share results. Expand, full plan. From myths to mastery, decline to dominance. Integration starts now. Take steps, share boosts. Subscribe, like, comment. Stay strong, Wellness Waves. Dr. Elias Site, out.